Hello, IBM board members. My name is Jegan. First of all, I have to thank IBM for giving us this opportunity for uh, uh, for making our project showcased. So our project is Smart Lender Applicant Credibility Prediction for Loan Approval, and our team ID is this. And let me tell you the concept of our project. So first of all, user is entering their credentials. So after that, the details will be generated to the ML model for the application approved. So when the application will be approved is only the ML model is satisfied with the credential of the user. That's when the user will get approved. So like you have seen here, we have used the cryptographic format encryption process for the encryption technique. This this actually we have used in the login and register page of our project. So while using this cryptography one-night encryption process, we may see that it will be sit on the end of the database as ciphertext. So like we are seeing here, this is our web application. While entering it, the data will be encrypted. For the highly qualified technique, we are separating those encrypted data into three servers. Uh, and likely we have used four servers here. So these servers are maintained at different database centers. So those database centers are available here. When the verification or validation is done, those data are retrieved from the servers and will be managed for verification and validation. And this is the ciphertext like you are seeing here. It will be stored at the end of the database. Here, this is cryptographic technique, and we are using a key to encrypt it. So let me tell you the demo of it. This is our project structure, and we have coded here all these things. Uh, this is our main server.py where the Flask is integrated with the website and all. This is our model integration, like you are seeing here. This is server 1 for the login and register page. Server 3, server 4, all these things are comes under the login and registration page for the highly qualified technique for encrypting those credentials. And also this is our templates we have used here. Also these are the statics like CSS and all. This is the notebook where we have created all those model implementation. At the end you can see the we have used the uh, XGBoost algorithm for the highly qualified model. So the model will be sit on the bin folder. So here you can see the pickle folder, a pickle file. So where the model is implemented here, unless until we have running it, like I have already ran it. Like firstly we have to run all those servers, server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4, and we should run the main server.py for the implementation of overall deployment. So this is our main server which is running on the port of 5000. This is a Flask integral module. So when we are running it, it will redirect to the page of login page, like you can see here. Here, when you are coming in here, you can see the login and sign up page. First you have to sign up. So I'm just taking a sample ID. So I'm just putting a password out to it. So when you are entering it, we can see this page. So you may feel like how the data will be stored at the end of the database, right? So here these are the datas that are stored on the database. The password that I have entered is encrypted with the cryptography encryption technique. Also it was divided into four concept phone parts, and the key also generated in four parts. This we have used for highly qualified separation of it. So also for the verification and validation, we also have provided the credentials. When we are entering the same details here, and the password which I have given here is same as this. When we are entering it, you may see the login, ease of login. So this is the page that we have made it for the qualified encryption technique. So for the coming to the smart loan lender interface, these are the interface, and when we are applying the loan, we are just clicking on the button here. After clicking this button, you should click all those details, fill those all those details. So like firstly, I'm giving the positive value of it. So to get the positive value of it, so I should give the required details that should be entered here. So also let me give all those details here. These are the details that should be given here. So if one of those details is not clearly mentioned, then it will not go into the next phase of it. So I'm just giving the applicant salary package and all those things. So here, this is the amount that we have to lend from the bank. I'm just giving the 2 lakh. So this is the column that we have entered. We have to enter like a number of days that the loan money have to be repaid. So here I'm giving it 360. Also, all debts were paid if any of the loan have been taken from the bank. So I'm just clicking the status of it. By checking it, we may see that clearly that our loan is approved because we have entered the corresponding details according to the model. The prediction were approved result. So coming to the negative result, we may see like here I'm just giving the very bad credential to it, bad value of it. So I'm just giving yearly year. So like general concept is, if a man is not graduate, the loan will not be applicable to it. Approximately 20 percentage. So even if he was not employed, then the loan is rejected, right? So like you are seeing here, all those things that I have given here is bad result. Here I'm giving 2000 as a salary package, 1000 as this, and I need to take 2 lakh of it. So number of days, uh, I'm just giving 100 or 50. So I'm just giving not paid. So I'm just checking the status. You can see here, you can clearly see here that your application is rejected according to the bad credential, bad input that have been given. So this is our project, and I hope our project qualifies your expectation. Uh, Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, madam, from IBM, and thank you to the IBM that they have given this opportunity. Thank you.